Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. As you know, this channel is focused on crypto arbitrage, latest crypto arbitrage. Okay, this latest crypto arbitrage is mainly for Ghana and Nigeria. Okay guys, so if you are residing from Ghana, you only need to deposit through your bank transfer. You can also deposit through your card. You can deposit through your Momo account. Okay guys, so you just sit down from Ghana, go to the Play Store and download this platform. It's called Roku, and start making your money. Okay guys, so as now I'm going the crypto opportunity we are going to lay our hand on is Ethereum. Okay guys, so as you can see, Ethereum price here is 18,527 Ghana cedis. Okay, we click on it now and then we buy. Let's just buy 5,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, as we buy 5,000 Ghana cedis, it's going to give us 0.269, and then the 87, we are going to use that one as a transfer fees. Okay, now I'm moving down to Binance. Okay, so this is Binance now. Sorry, let me go back again. So let me go back. This is Binance now. As you can see here, in Binance, we have 19,250, 19,430. Okay, now we are going to, what I would advise you to do is to place an advert here. I believe every one of us know how to place an advert. Okay, this is how to place an advert. All these people, they place an advert. As you can see them here, they make a good profit here. They make a good profit. You come down here and place an advert. Okay, so if you place an advert around 19,430 Ghana cedis. Okay, don't forget that we bought as Roku, that is 0.269. We are going to use 0.269, 0.269 by crypto rather, 0.269. Look at it now, we are getting 226 naira 67, like 226 naira. Okay guys, so this 226 naira, now if you use the calculator, if we use calculator here, 226 times 10, look at it now, we're getting 2,260. Just, it's unlimited. You can make this profit within just 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you can make this profit. Okay, guys. So because it's unlimited, it's unlimited. You can just be doing it often and often. So you make 2,260 with just 5,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, guys. So let me go back to here now. As you can see it here now, if you want to sell through sell here, just look at the good profit. Anyone that will place good profit here, that is when you will come down here to sell it. But if there's no good profit, good price here rather, so you just place an advert. That is how you can make your good money here. So all these people, they are not playing, they come here to come and make profit. That's why you can see them, they place an advert and they make their own profit there. Okay guys, so now I'm going back to Nigeria now Nigerian own opportunity here is to, let me go back to the Roku platform again. So this is Roku platform. For what I'm going to do now is to go back to the home. Now I'm going to change this one to Nigerian. Okay guys, so I'm going to change, as I change this one to Nigerian, as a Nigerian, how you can deposit to this platform is through Raven. Okay guys, so Raven is only the one bank transfer, everything is not working. It's only Raven that is working. That is, Raven is a microfinance bank, so they work as under Wema Bank. Okay guys, so you have to download the Raven, open the account and start using it to deposit to this Roku. When you deposit to Roku, so our crypto opportunity as a Nigerian now is a Nigeria, not Ghana. So let me show you all the assets, and then our crypto opportunity we are going to use is to, let me check the crypto to use now. As you can see it here now, this is as a Nigerian, this is the crypto opportunity we are going to use. Okay guys, we are going to use Binance USD, okay, or we use this one USDT. Okay guys, so now let me now go back to, let me click on this Binance USDT. So it's going to, we are selling, the current price is 928 naira. Okay, let's assume we buy 400,000. 400,000 is giving me 530.99138. That one I'm going to leave that one as what? As transaction fees. I'm going to focus on 430. Okay guys, so let me go back to Binance now. Let me go back to Binance now, as I'm going back to the P2P. So the P2P now, I'm going to change this one to Nigerian. And then don't forget what we buy, the crypto we buy is Binance USD. Okay, so just change it to the Binance USD. As you can see it here, they are selling it at 944. Okay, 944. So you have to place an advert. Okay guys, you place an advert here also. So you come down here. I believe every one of us know how to place an advert, because all these people you are seeing here, they are making good profit, a lot of profit here, making good profit, not small profit they make a lot of profit here. So you come down here, you place an advert. This is where you place an advert. So I have video of placing an advert if you don't know how to place an advert. So you can come down here and place an advert here. Okay guys, so now I'm going to, let me use this one, the price range here. Let me go for, okay, let's assume now I use 954. Okay, so by crypto now, our 400,000 giving us 430. Okay, so I'm going to use 430 here by crypto, 430. Okay guys, now, so do you see what we get? 10,000 naira, 10,000, just 10,000, 10,000, 410,000 to, you can see the profit we make. So you can see the profits we make, just one transaction, 10,000 plus. Okay guys, so that is why I'm telling you the profit opportunity, the crypto opportunity you can lay your hand upon here. Okay, but if you want to use little amount of money like 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000, I have crypto opportunity for you guys. So you have to join my WhatsApp. I'm going to coach you and I'll tell you the crypto opportunity you will buy for those lowest amounts of money, guys. So to make good profits. Okay guys, so this is the latest crypto opportunity. Now go and do it, practice it and do it, and you make your profit. Just go down and make your profit. Okay guys, so guys, if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you stay tuned for my next video. Peace.